Hey guys, welcome back to my another tutorial video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you lock your Facebook profile. So let's begin. First of all, open up your Facebook. So at this time Facebook haven't provide access to lock your profile in some of the countries. So first of all, let's see whether we have access to lock our profile or not. For that, go to your profile option in the right upper corner and scrolling down to the bottom, go to the help and support option. Tap on the help center and in the search bar search for the lock profile. After that, tap on the lock your Facebook profile option. So here you can see this feature is not available everywhere right now. You can only lock your profile in certain countries. It means we will not be able to lock our profile at this moment, so we can report our problem here in the box. So after explaining our problem and submitting it, we will be able to lock our profile after a few days of access. So in this way we can lock our Facebook profile. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more updating tutorial videos. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video and stay updated.